Hello, welcome to another Fun Friday. We're going to learn how to play Buck Rogers by Feeder, not the Buck Rogers theme tune. This is a great tune. It was a bit of a throwaway track by the band back in the day. In fact, the reason it's called Buck Rogers is actually just because it was a throwaway title that they were talking about when making it, and it just happened to stick. If you listen very carefully in the chorus, though, you can actually hear low in the mix, they do actually sing Buck Rogers. Anyway, let's get on with it. There is basically one main riff that runs through it, and that is this E, G sharp, A. And it goes a bit like this to start off with. If you're playing it on piano, remember, this isn't a piano tutorial as such, it's just the notes I use when I play it in my band. So because it is guitar led, the feeling you want to get is this sort of thing. And notice there is a slight push. The E actually extends into the G sharp bar, so it is not this. It's not a regular beat. It goes so what I'm doing there is outlining the chords with the first and the fifth. So you've got E in the bass, which you just can't see, but trust me, it's an E. So I start on the higher of these, the two outlining notes, so B, that's where you might normally change, but if you play a B again and follow it with the G sharp, the outline, you'll be in time with the way the guitarist is playing. In the verse, that's exactly how it continues around until you get to the build up of the end of the verse, and then you want to be doing fuller chords for the last two times around, because you see it says 6 times. It's 4 times doing that smaller piece, then it really ramps up. And then ends on B to A. Holds out until you get to the chorus. And if you want to play the melody over this, you want to start on this top E here. So we're going and the second time round we're just going E, B, A. The first chorus does that only once. The other choruses do that 2 times round, that loop. There is a bridge bit where the guitar goes a bit mad playing around on B, if you want to put that in. Eventually you play the intro part again, or the interlude, which I've called it there, and that is the same as we started with. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Put it together with your band, make sure it fits with the chords the guitarist is using, because you can actually play and sing along just using E, G sharp and A if you want to. I think that's called cheating, but there you go. Right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Oh, and like and subscribe. Bye for now.